Welcome everyone to Van Life Sheldon's Travel. Good evening everybody. I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels.
And this is Sheldon.
And today we are actually
at Ocean Beach. And we just actually parked for the evening because this is a later video. But we're actually right across the street from a laundromat. And then next door to that is a pizza place. So we decided that we'll go put in our laundry and then go eat pizza and then be good for the evening.
So it's almost like a double score, right?
I think so.
So we've been hanging out in the van all day. I got some videos edited. You got some work done too. We're here in Ocean Beach, California. It's getting down in the 60s now that the sun went down, but it was like 72 degrees today, so that was amazing.
Yes.
But we're going to put a jacket on, head to the laundromat. I think I am going to let you wash this, though. So,
that's funny.
But let's get going. Well, everybody, we actually use like a big black duffel bag type of thing for our dirty laundry. So that's what Steph's filling up. Sheldon's sitting over here just checking out what Mom's doing. Like, where are you guys going? So, all right. Let's walk over to the laundromat. We found this neighborhood laundromat right here in Ocean Beach to do our laundry tonight, and I think it's going to work out for us. Well, we'll toss these clothes into these top loaders, and there we also have a load over there in the side loader. We use these little bottles of Tide that we get from the Dollar Tree. They seem to work really, really well for us. I had about the same as I would for the top loader in here. Works pretty good.
So right behind the camera is the laundromat, and right up here is the pizza place where we're going to go have dinner.
Pretty convenient, actually. So, Surf Rider Pizza and Cafe. Let's see what they have. We were actually here with Paul and Joe last year, or about 10, 11 months ago. So, let's see what's up. Alright, looks like they got some slices. Oh, looks like they got some slices here. So, what are you thinking, Steffi? No worries. I'm thinking the barbecue pizza myself. Yeah, this one here, the hot one. No. Alright, let's see. You want one of these too?
I think we're going to do one of the barbecue as well.
There you go. And I'll do 2 of your spicy chicken. Yes. Do you guys have like a deal where you do 2 slices and a beer or something like that?
Actually, bottle beers is going to be, I think, $11.50 before tax.
Alright. Alright. We might get a beer or soda. We'll see. He's going to throw them in the oven for us. Alright. We actually just decided on a couple sodas, guys. Well, guys, we got our pizza, and it smells delicious, and looks delicious, too. One of the cool things here, we noticed California paper straws, so see how that is, and there goes Steph, check it out. Watching a little TV here, just relaxing. Got about 20 minutes before the laundry's done. One of the things I noticed me and Steph both do is we fold our pizza over. I don't know how you like your pizza, but Steph's from Chicago. She likes a deep dish, but when it comes to New York style, gotta fold it over, guys. Well, we made it back just in time. I don't think there's a problem with the little paper straw, so. And lunch and dinner was delicious, so we're gonna switch the laundry. See what else we can get into for another 20-30 minutes while it dries, guys.
That one's ours too.
That works. Well, guys, we're gonna fold the clothes up and get out of here. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching our videos, and please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
More content on the Patreon.
And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good night, guys.
To get your Van Life Sheldon's travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.
And don't forget to click on that subscribe button or the Patreon button or one of our hundreds of videos in our playlist below.